Good morning student. Hope you all are keeping good. In my last video, I groom you how both boys and girls should dress up themselves smartly while going for an interview. But in today's video, I have covered your Unit 4 portion from your communicative lab portion, that is your interpersonal skill, which is your etiquettes of viva voice. In this video, you will able to understand the manner of sitting, right, the manner of using your hand and palm while you are in a job interview, and how you are going to use your eye movement while you are in a interview purpose. First thing is your how to enter into the interview hall. The first thing, student, make sure that be punctual. Punctuality is the foremost and important thing while one should follow while going for a job interview. There is no harm of reaching the interview place 10 to 15 minutes earlier. Why? Because while you are reaching before time, you will get time to relax yourself. You will get a ample time to adjust yourself to that situation, right? You can make friends by which your stress level will become low, right? Next, so be sure that you reach the place 10 to 15 minutes earlier. Next is your make sure that your mobile phone should be in switch off mode or in silent mode rather than ringing and vibration mode. Next is your seek permission. Now while you are entering into the room for a job interview, you should seek permission that may I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am? Then after entering into the room, wish, if you find that there is a lady in your interview panel, make sure you wish to the ladies first by saying good morning ma'am, good morning sir. Now after that, you hand over the document to the person who is sitting in the middle, not the one who is near to you, right? Place handle the document to the person who is in the center of the interview panel. Next is your take seat only when the interviewer says. What does it mean? That there is a chair, which means that the chair is for you. That doesn't mean that the moment you see the chair, you will grab it and you will sit it. No. Dear children, be patient till the interviewer says you to take the seat. Next is your posture of sitting. Now you got the chair, right? Now how you are going to sit? Notice the position of the leg. Both the legs are in a contact with one another. So while you are sitting on a particular chair, both of your legs should be touched and your back portion should be straight rather than your leaning towards your taking support back side of the chair or crisscrossing your leg. This is the bad posture. So avoid this kind of posture while you are sitting for a job interview. So you should rather sit in this because it is a correct way of sitting for a job interview. Next is your never shake your legs, right? Now there is a habit of shaking the legs or there is a habit of tapping the foot. So dear student, avoid this kind of etiquette, shaking of your legs or tapping of the foot, because it creates frustration, it creates irritation in the mind of the interviewers. It distracts them. If I am in a serious position and if you are shaking your legs, then it creates negative impact in the mind of the interviewer. So avoid this kind of shaking your legs or tapping the foot. Next is where you will place your hands. So the correct position of keeping your hand while giving your interview is you will place your hand and palm on the lap rather than keeping them folded or on the table, right? So the correct position of your hand and palm is that you should keep it in your lap. Next is never tap your finger right? While answering the question, make sure that neither your legs nor your hands or finger should tap or it should shake. Next is that never touch any of your body part repeatedly. Some of the children have a habit of repeatedly touching their hairs, nose, ear. So avoid this kind of behavior. Why? Again, it's create irritation in the mind of the interviewers. It creates a negative impact on the mind of the interviewers. Next is your use your hands freely to express yourself. So when you are using your hand to express yourself, you will definitely able to express yourself perfectly, rather than when you are asked to express yourself by folding your hand. You practice, you notice this while you are right now also I am explaining you by using my hands freely. So rather than if someone asks to express yourself by keeping your hand folded, it will definitely hamper your confidence level. So use your hand and palm to express, to give your views properly, rather than folding your hands or keeping your hand on the table. Next is your which face is looking good. Now the answer is definitely everyone will like a smiling face, because it creates a smiling face give positivity, right? So while going for a job interview, or when you are entering into the hall, or you are sitting on a chair for answering the question to the interviewers, now make sure you carry a smile. Now what are the advantages of smile? First thing is smile shows confidence, right? Smile shows confidence. Next is smile reflect the relaxed attitude, correct? It reflects the relaxed attitude. Now it creates a healthy, pleasant and relaxing environment. And the last one is your smiling covers the mistake. So while you are going for interview or while you are sitting, make sure that you always carry a sweet smile, rather than your this one. If you are not smiling, it creates that you are in a stress of your interview, you are taking a stress that you are going through an interview, your confidence level is low, so it creates a negative impression in the mind of the interviewers, as well as it creates a unhealthy environment, right? Next is your eye contact, correct? Now how you should use your eye contact while you are answering or while you are in a interview. You should maintain eye contact. Look, both the pictures you see. Now the interviewee is maintaining eye contact with interviewer. Now when you are maintaining eye contact, what does happen? It conveys a confidence level of the interviewee. It creates interest, it creates focusedness, and it creates connection between the interviewer and interviewee. If you don't maintain eye contact like this, it shows that you are in a stress, you lack interest, you lack confidence, and you are in a shyness. So it is preferred that whatever may be the reason, you carry a sweet smile and you maintain a eye contact. Next is, till now I have perfectly explained you the manner of sitting, the manner of expressing yourself, how to carry a sweet smile, and advantages of your maintaining eye contact. Now next and the important thing is how to answer while you are answering the question of an interviewer. First thing is answer confidently, right? Answer confidently and calmly. You should answer calmly, not in a hurriness, as if you will just get rid of this place and as if you have to catch a train. Don't run in that way. Answer to them smartly, confidently and calmly, and you have to also answer to the point. Next one is answering only when the question is over. Now there is a habit that if you know the answer, you don't have patience to listen to the question, or you don't let the question gets over. You jump it and you answer it. So children, develop that attitude that let the question gets over, then only you answer to the question. Now how you will answer the question? Honestly, clearly, and when you are referring something or when you are giving some example, make sure that you are giving a correct information, correct example rather than a fake one. Avoid giving wrong answer. If you don't know the correct answer, simply say sorry, I don't know. Right? Now when your question answering round is over, everything gets over. Now how you are going to leave the room? Now no matter what the situation was, whether you able to answer the question or not, whether your interview was good or not, make sure that you leave the room with a smiling face and a note of thank you. Right? You should leave the room by greeting them thank you. Not rather, if you think that your interview was not good, that doesn't mean that you will simply stand up and you will walk away. Not like that. Give them thank you and a note of thank you and with a smiling face. So hope in this video I have explained you properly the etiquettes that has to be followed on Viva Voice. Thank you.